today I'm going to teach you how to do beach wave. If you're a beach fan as I am, I'm always on the beach, like tanning, putting natural stuff on my hair, highlighting my hair and stuff like that. This video is for you. People always ask me, how do you have such perfect beach waves? It's very easy. I'm going to teach you. It's only 1, 2, and 3 steps. And you can definitely do it at home or anywhere. So let's start. So things you may need. First, I like to use this shampoo by Nubian. It's totally natural, it repairs your hair, and if you have sun damage like I do, because I usually spray stuff and I go outside and try to get my hair light and stuff, this shampoo is totally great. So you want to use this shampoo, then you want to put this conditioner on. It's the same, everything. It's Nubian. I love Nubian Heritage because this is just so good. This is a deep conditioner, a conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner, which is so awesome. So I put a little bit of this in my hair, just a little dime size, just on the bottom of my hair, like this much. Because you do want this to be a little bit dry on top, okay? Alright, so, and then you need a comb and 2 rubber bands that doesn't yank your hair. So usually they're cloth and stuff. Alright, so your hair definitely needs to be the shortest, has to be on your shoulder or something. Anything that's really short, you really can't do this. Not the way I'm doing it. There's a way to do it, and I can teach you that. So, let's start. was it. And this is actually an easier way to do a beach curl. I know a lot of people say that you can spray salt spray and then just crunch your hair when it's wet or something, but for me, it just feels very dry. It's very crunchy. I know beach wave is supposed to be a little crunchy and stuff like that, but if you really look at surfers and stuff, their hair are pretty soft and, you know, like bouncy and stuff like that. And curlers, I don't think curlers work. It never works for me. So braiding works the best. So what you want to do is, for me, the tips is, you know, when your hair is just 2/3 dry or something, you want to put the conditioner on just at the end of the hair and braid it and stuff. And sometimes I like to braid from here down, so your wave comes from here down versus just here. But if your hair is a lot longer and you don't want that much volume, you can start right here. But if you want a lot of volume in the back and stuff, you want to start like right here. But you never want to braid your bangs and stuff, because you do want it to be, you know, natural and a little straight and stuff. All you need to do is just to curl, you know, just to use your hand to roll it. And that's it. You know, if you guys have any comments or anything, please leave it. I would love to hear it. Go to my blog, cynthialoren.com/blog. Thank you so much. Watch my video next time. Bye.